Wagwan food enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into 2025's most unexpected culinary trend. Chayote meets curry. Introducing Chayote, the unexpected curry star move over potatoes. Chayote is here to shake things up. This unassuming green gourd is stealing the spotlight in kitchens around the world, especially in the realm of bold and flavorful curries. Let's dive into why this surprising duo is making waves in 2025's food scene. So what exactly is chayote? Chayote, pronounced chayote, is a pear-shaped squash native to Central America. Known for its mild flavor and crisp, juicy texture, it's a favorite in Latin American and Southeast Asian cuisines. Plus, it's high in vitamin C, low in calories, and rich in fiber. Nutritious and delicious. Chayote's unique flavor profile. Mild, slightly sweet, and refreshingly crisp. Chayote absorbs surrounding flavors like a champ. Think of it as a cross between zucchini, green apple, and jicama. Its texture holds up well in heat, making it perfect for stews, sautés, and now curries. How to incorporate chayote in your diet. You can enjoy it raw, sliced thin in salads or slaws, steamed or boiled as a side or base for dips, roasted with olive oil and spices, or our new favorite way, curries. Curry flavors, a world of possibilities. Traditional Indian curry spices are built on layers of flavor: cumin, coriander, turmeric, mustard seeds, garam masala, and more. Each spice plays a role in building depth and warmth. Exploring different curry styles. South Indian, with coconut milk, curry leaves, and mustard seeds. North Indian, often richer and creamier with tomato bases. Thai curry, with lemongrass, galangal, chili, and coconut milk. Jamaican curry, bold and earthy with thyme and allspice. Adapting curry flavors for chayote. Chayote pairs beautifully with both light and creamy curries. Its neutral taste means it works well with heat, tang, or sweetness. Coconut milk-based curries enhance its texture, while spicier versions let it cool the fire. The chayote and curry fusion. Let's get cooking with a coconut chayote curry. Here's what you'll need. 2 chayotes, peeled, pitted, and cubed. 1 can coconut milk. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. 1 tsp turmeric. 1 tablespoon curry powder. Salt to taste. Fresh cilantro for garnish. Optional. Green chili for heat. Step-by-step guide. 1. Heat oil in a pan, add mustard seeds until they pop. 1. Add onion and garlic. Sauté until translucent. 1. Stir in turmeric and curry powder. 1. Add chayote cubes. Stir to coat in spices. 1. Pour in coconut milk. Simmer for 15-20 minutes until tender. 1. Add salt. Garnish with cilantro and serve with rice or naan. Tips and tricks. Don't overcook chayote. Its crunch is part of the charm. Add protein like chickpeas or tofu to make it heartier. Want more kick? Add chili flakes or fresh green chilies. Taste, testing, and final thoughts. Time for the best part. Dig in. You'll notice a satisfying texture contrast with the creamy curry. The chayote softens slightly but keeps its signature bite. Its mild sweetness balances spicy or savory notes beautifully. Wrapping up. A delicious journey. Today we turned an overlooked vegetable into the star of the curry pot. Chayote's versatility makes it the perfect canvas for bold global flavors. Whether you're a curry connoisseur or a veggie newbie, this fusion is a fun, flavorful way to expand your kitchen game. Try it out. Grab a chayote, raid your spice cabinet, and start simmering. Tag your creations with chayote curry and share the love. Who knows, you might just start the next big trend. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.